old gatekeeper here. Here at my buddy Marty's shop. This is where all the painting's gonna be. What's up, big guy? Jump on this YouTube video with me.
Hey, Thomas. Hey, somebody's killing me.
Hey, I'm doing a quick video to show everybody where all the painting's gonna be done at. So, basically, my buddy Marty, a lot of y'all know, he sold his business that he was successfully ran for, what was it, 20-something years, I think. And he has now built himself a painting booth here behind his house. So this is where all the painting of the new Gatekeeper candy paint series will be done, right here. But since he was been a hard worker his whole life and got to retire, my buddy's been working on this beaut right here, man. And I mean, built from the ground up. He has built this bug literally from the ground up, interior and exterior. Started with just the frame. And let me ask him real quick what kind of motor. What kind of motor's in this bug again? What type of motor's in this bug again?
148 horsepower Volkswagen motor.
You heard him.
Factory was 40 horsepower.
And how many hours? You got it right here, don't you? Let's see how many hours you got on this thing. Well, I can't show no.
Yeah, you can really see it.
He got some stuff I can't show on
Pamela
YouTube
Anderson.
Here.
It's
Yeah,
Pamela Anderson back in the day.
yeah, Pamela. How many hours you got added up?
On the 11/26, I had 1,048, and I ain't logged it since then.
Wow.
So I've got about another 10 in since then.
Plus 1,048 plus hours into this project. Every light's LED. What's name of this blue?
It's a 23 Kia blue. I don't know the name of it.
23 Kia blue. But anyway, just giving y'all an update. Be after the first of the year. Boy, that's beautiful. It'll be after the first of the year sometime once I get caught up with the rest of my builds. I ain't got many left to go. I think last number is like 7 or 8. And after that, I'll start taking in orders again and we'll get back to candy painting these boxes, which I know a lot of y'all are excited about. So anyway, this is just a quick video. I stopping by here to see him and hang out with my buddy Marty for a little bit and take a look, because last time I was here, this shop was unaccessible, and he's got it ready to go, full operation, airproof, airtight shop, a real true paint booth, man. Boy, I'd love to have one of these at my house. Yeah, I'd love to have just a building this big. I hope to get a shop about half this size soon. Anyway, old Gatekeeper said it, y'all, 73.
I got one over there and over there.
God bless. Bye-bye.